Well, I've done it. Well, I've got a couple of bits there to put in. There are funny shapes. I've got 2 of them to cut, and I have got that bit to go down there, and I've got the bit to go down. I want a bit down here, about 8 inch, so it makes that we've got a little cubby hole. That was a bit, just another 12 inch square one. It just fitted there with that notch out, so it just cuts that off. I'm pleased with it. I'm pleased the way it's come out. It looks bang on. Like I said, that was the door that led through to my corridor. Do you know what I mean? So there's 2 been in because they've shit on me bloody perches. But I'm happy with it. I am. I mean, it makes it a big young bird loft now with loads of room for them. Because this is 9 foot by 8 foot. It's 9 foot wide, obviously because I ain't got the corridor on it, and it's 8 foot long. So it's 9 by 8. So obviously, when it's on dark, when it was on the dark, these were shut, but now they're just open. And don't look, I don't clean out, and I don't care. Now then, these will get done once a month, the perches. But there's no wrong with them. That's a 6 foot section, 4 foot section, where the trap is. Do you know what I mean? And the way it was designed before, and if I wait to split up, I could split up and still trap to the middle section, which is this. But now I've got that big one. So what I could do, put the cocks in that end what I've just done, and then have the ends in all this, let the cocks out through that door, then shove all the ends through to there, still let the cocks come in here, you know, to come and get fed in this middle bit, because that's going to be the only way in. Then obviously let the ends out, then put the cocks back through to their bit and let the ends come back into all this, you know, so the ends would have all this section. And then if I really wanted to be smart ass, my face rounders could be in there and in this 4 foot, and if I had some second rounders come in, they could go in this last 6 foot section and just shut this slider, so that they just had that bit. Do you know what I mean? If I wanted to separate them. Now then. Come on, stop buggering about. Come on, hey. Stop messing. That cock there is slightly shaly. Is that Mick Jackson's, the Belgian cock I bought from Mick Jackson? And what I think is my best Van Ree 10, so he's a Cooster Stafford cross. Oh, you found that little gap between my phone. But I do like it. It is a nice one. It really is. Now then, got big grizz settled all in nicely. It's settled all in. What's up here? Hey? What's up, boy? I like it with that up on them slaties. Don't I, boy? Hey? Yeah. Another one there. He's a first rounder. And that's the second rounder. He's got an estimated and all same. That's my pure white Roland Jansen. If you're worrying about that black box and that one there has got poison in it. They can't get at it. It's like a little block. And then that one there has got 2 traps in it. I have them set all the time. I've never had one yet. Never had one in it. But I have them all the time. There's another one there in O'Beard section. I have them all. There's one in stock loft. I have them all the time. Better be safe than sorry, innit? So I just have them there. Big grizz. Hey, boy. You're all settled in now, though, aren't you, mate? So are you, Mealy? They're from yours, Mark Cordwell. I've got a granddaughter of Renzo here, and There's 2 mealies off there, or the other one's there in that little hole. But I'm pleased with it. I just hope we get some racing into them. Be a shame if we don't get no racing. They're nice out of them Terry Wright, them Roland Janssens. You know what I mean? They're nice. I like them. Good in the hand and all. Had a couple scalped this year, you know. I don't use their one, but that little blue there, it was scalped. But it's alright. It's just got a bit of a scale in its head. But they're coming about and bloody pairing up. I like that blue white flight. He's coming about proud as punch. There's a nest down there, which is that checker cock there, and the blue hen. That's their nest. Hey boy. Hey. He's driving here to nest. That pigeon there was a bugger as he went. Kept going on the house roof, on the flats, and I left it out twice. It's alright now. It's a lovely pigeon, else it wouldn't have lasted, because I don't usually get messed about like that. But it's alright now. I just hope we can get some racing in them. You know what I mean? It'd be a bloody shame. I mean, if we can't, I should just train them hard. You know, just take them wherever I take them, down to Huntingdon or something, and let them get trained. Okay people, speak to you later.